Allowances. You cannot wear it. What you see here is mind-boggling. 2 AK-47 rifles.
What's take your hand down?
And 5 magazines. Each of these magazines contains 30 rounds of live ammunition, making a total of 150 rounds. If you have 2 AK-47 rifles with 150 rounds of live ammunition, you can cause immense havoc to a community. Rearrange it and put it back. Oh yeah, come on. Okay, hand. No, you have to do it properly.
Shift it to the front end.
Yeah. Then while I'm loaded with weapons, that's what you have here. Intelligence-led operation. Operatives of the intel generating groups tracked, monitored, and clinically executed the stacks. There are still other suspects in connection with this crime that are on the run, but we can assure the country that we will get at them and will bring them to justice.